Welcome back to Danger Zone. Today, we're exploring Hurricane Katrina, one of the most devastating hurricanes in U.S. history. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about the topic you'd like us to cover next. Hurricane Katrina formed on August 23, 2005, off the eastern Bahamas. Within a few days, it intensified into a Category 5 hurricane, the highest level on the Saffir-Simpson scale, with winds reaching up to 175 miles per hour to 80 kilometers per hour. On August 29, Katrina made landfall along the Gulf Coast, particularly devastating Louisiana and Mississippi, with the city of New Orleans bearing the brunt of the destruction. New Orleans, sitting below sea level, relies heavily on levees to protect it from flooding. However, Katrina's storm surge overwhelmed and breached the levee system. Key levees, such as those on the 17th Street Canal and the London Avenue Canal, failed, causing 80% of the city to be submerged. Floodwaters rose as high as 20 feet in some areas, sweeping away homes, vehicles, and thousands of lives. According to scientists at the National Hurricane Center NCHE, Katrina was fueled by unusually warm sea surface temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico, which rapidly increased the hurricane strength. Dr. Carrie Emanuel of MIT noted, "Global warming may have contributed to the storm's intensity, but it was the failure of New Orleans' levee system and urban planning that made the disaster catastrophic." Hurricane Katrina claimed over 1,800 lives and displaced more than 1 million people, marking one of the largest mass migrations in U.S. history. Economic losses were estimated at $125 billion. Hundreds of thousands of homes were destroyed, and communities in New Orleans took years to recover. While large-scale relief efforts were mobilized by the federal government and aid organizations, the initial response was criticized for being slow and disorganized. Many victims were housed in temporary shelters like stadiums, under dire conditions. Michael Brown, then director of FEMA, admitted that lack of preparedness and coordination hampered early rescue efforts. Since then, the U.S. has improved infrastructure, resilience, and emergency response systems to better cope with future disasters. Amidst the tragedy, there were stories of hope and heroism. Volunteers from local communities and international organizations worked tirelessly to assist survivors. These acts of kindness and solidarity shone as a beacon of humanity during the darkest days. Hurricane Katrina was not just a natural disaster, but a reminder of our vulnerability to nature's immense power. What do you think about the lessons learned from this storm? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know what topics you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Danger Zone to stay updated with more captivating content. See you in the next video.